Let's break down the one calculation that can literally make or break your entire electrical design. This motor keeps failing. And you know why? One single missed calculation. A 10% voltage drop can knock out almost 20% of a motor's torque. That's a huge loss. And it's not just about performance, it's silently destroying your equipment from the inside out. So why is it so tricky? Because you've got all these different factors playing against each other. The right formula has to account for both resistance and reactance. They're totally different effects. But even with the right formula, it's so easy to trip up on these common mistakes. First up, temperature. Those data tables, they're for 20 degrees. Your cables run way hotter. So you have to correct for it. As temperature goes up, so does resistance. It's non-negotiable. And get this, using steel conduits, that can jack up your reactance by a whopping 25%. Okay, with all these hidden traps, you gotta wonder, isn't there a smarter way to do this? Well, you can stick with the slow, manual way, or you can use a fast, automated workflow. And that smarter workflow? It's right here, an advanced calculator at designcalculators.co.in. It just handles all those tricky variables we talked about, temperature, conduits, the whole deal. And the result? You can get back up to 95% of your time to do actual engineering. And this isn't some black box. It's all built on trusted international standards, like IEC 6364. Plus, it's completely transparent. It shows you every single step of the math right there. So remember, voltage drop isn't just a detail. It's a core design decision.